Here we are with the two happy girls, and we're going to take a little trail walk.
I'm the most fabulous person there is! Let's go! Yay! Babe, let's go.
And
Yeah!
hey,
Hurry!
hey,
Too fast for you! Hi! Walking, this seems horrible. We should have wore shoes.
is that a rattlesnake out there?
No.
What is that?
It's not.
Oh,
Dude, we should have wore shoes. This is disgusting. Do you want mine? Oh, it tastes like crap. Let me try it. Wait. Yeah, let's try
Faith, let me get out in the front so I can have something other than
this.
your back in the film, please.
He almost did.
This is the nature trail, and
Careful now.
good thing I'm in excellent tip-top condition. I hope these girls can make it. They'll probably get tired.
Ow! Careful, dude. Poor pain. So much big trail.
I hope
I'm sure Jay could make it out before any of us.
I hope I don't have to carry them.
Let's go, people.
Because one of them's not going to make it.
My legs feel numb. They feel weird. That's the worst water ever. My legs feel weird.
Faith, are you okay?
No! Come on, people. Walk it, walk it, walk it now! No! Babe!
Go on without you.
No!
You can do it.
Oh, God. Come on, dude! Oh, gosh. We have a lot of climbing to do. There's no playing around. Let's go. My God, we're so high up.
We're almost there. We're almost there.
Sure?
Yeah.
I don't think we are.
Good thing I'm not tired.
Something just happened. I'm tired. My back. My legs are going numb.
Okay.
Do you know what happened? My back just went boom, like it starts hurting.
Oh, you're all right.
No. I don't know if this means my back's in the middle.
There is a lookout point right up there, and that's where we're going.
Are you flexing?
We're going to the
Can we
lookout
just
point
just go?
right up there.
Right up there.
I think that somebody said there was a gym around here too, so we're going that way.
That way. My back is like killing me now.
Okay, we're almost there.
We're not almost there. Please, what are you talking about? Are you serious? Fire Tower Trail. 3.5 miles.
3.5 more miles and we'll be there.
Oh my God! Fire Tower. Oh, 3.5 miles. Fire Tower. So we're not even almost up here yet.
3.5 more miles. Are you gonna make it, Jay?
Yeah, I am. My back hurts now, but it's getting better.
Okay, come on.
Oh my God. Freaking whenever we get up to that thing right there, we're going to be like, hey everybody! We're almost there. Yay. Oh, this is fun. It's freaking finally.
And we're here.
We're almost here.
Yeah.
Yay! Not a good idea. Wear flip-flops. Totally. Yay, rails. I know, right? Where do I put this nasty, nasty, ugly water? Put it in his pocket. He has progress shorts. Here.
Nope, you're carrying it.
Oh my gosh. Dude, can you have no water? What? Can we switch water? We're gonna just, lose the water.
Here's a little thing of the caves. Tells you a little something about the creatures that dwell in these caves around here. Bats and salamanders and all that good stuff.
Dude! Ow!
What's up, bud? Hey, girls.
You guys came the hard way.
We did?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for telling us.
You got terrible all the way around.
Oh, cool. So apparently we came the hard way. Okay.
Oh yeah, that'd be amazing.
Okay, this is the lookout that we've been trying to get to, and we're going to be able to overlook. We're going to overlook the hatchery. And this is it.
No, Bubba, we're going all the way.
Now we're going down here to overlook the hatchery. Come on.
There's another trail.
And this is it. And that's where we were just now.
Hi!
And right over there is where we went up at. I don't know if you can see it. It's at the center of the camera. And there's Pop way down there waving.
Are you sure he's waving?
Yeah. And this is the release pond. And that's about it. And there's Faith. I think Faith and Jade. They have found the gym.
Hey!
Have you guys?
Right here.
Did you
Look
find
at
the
your
gym?
It's right here.
Did you find the gym too, Jay?
Yeah, we did.
And there's everybody taking a picture of us, taking a picture of them. Hi. Hey. And this is us waving. Hey.
We found the gym!
We found the gym! Ah! Ah!
And that's it.
Ah!
See you.
Oh.